reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Not playing.
I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can't do anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in this summer city. There's no place on earth.
Came back from the beach, and this is one of my favorite things. Just too cute. But last time we went to just the beach, and it was just way too much. Avi was tired, I was tired, so we decided to opt out of the boardwalk. But today I think we're strictly going to do the boardwalk. We didn't pack bathing suits or anything. We just stopped at Wawa to pick up a couple of things for the boardwalk, and I have definitely been craving these onion flavored rings, and I've never tried the Hers brand. I usually only ever get Funyuns, but I really like Hers chips, so we picked those up. I got Cheez-Its today. I'm not a Cheez-It person. I feel like you're either a Goldfish person or a Cheez-It person. Are you a Goldfish person or a Cheez-It person?
I like both.
You like both? I don't like both. I normally am a Goldfish person, but I want to try the Cheez-Its because I feel like in my head I like them more than I actually do. But Avi can have some Cheez-Its because they're a little bit easier. I also picked up Sun Chips. I love the Harvest Cheddar, and they're good for Avi. Better than, well, it's probably better than the Funyuns I just bought, but that's okay. And then I did pick up for Avi, probably on the way home, little like Fig Newton. She eats like everything, so she definitely likes figs. And my husband, you like figs? He loves figs, but the Fig Newtons are gonna be a good one for her. Other than that, I just picked up some of the Essentia water. I picked up 2 of those because they were like 2 for $3. And we'll have that for in the car and for when we get there. We did pack our own coffees so that we didn't have to buy them at Wawa.
Probably getting tired.
Oh yeah, it's nap time. So she's probably gonna go down for a nap. She'll probably nap on the way there. And then, well, because it's 10 o'clock now. So her nap time normally falls around 10:30. So hopefully she'll nap on the way there. And then we'll just kind of have an early afternoon to go walk around, look at some of the things. I don't even know. We're going to Point Pleasant Beach. I only ever really used to go to the Wildwood Boardwalk. They have a lot more like games and, you know, like boardwalky stuff. But I don't remember about Point Pleasant as much. I used to go when I was younger, but I remember going to Point Pleasant Beach when they didn't charge you to get on the beach, and now they charge you to get onto the beach, which I think it was like, what, $14 a person? Which isn't terrible. I mean, at least we can rent an umbrella, but We don't need to go on the beach today, but yeah, the boardwalk I think's definitely changed since I was a kid, but it's nice to be able to bring Avi to like where I used to go, so it's kind of sweet.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors.
All right, I just tried one of these and I'm here to let you all know Funyuns win. These are not as good. They're kind of like baked. Nice one. They're not as good as Funyuns. They're not as snappy. You know how like Funyuns have like that?
They're crunchier.
Mm-hmm. I'm disappointed. I might have to stop and get real Funyuns.
These are soft.
That's like a 3 out of 10 for me. And I put down the real Funyuns and picked these up. Do not recommend.
Folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love.
Got McDonald's or something.
Summer love.
Yeah.
Remember when we were getting nowhere fast? When the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use.
I'm just waiting for Matthias to get out of Dunkin' Donuts. We're just doing a quick bathroom break before we hit the boardwalk. Avi just had a little snack, and then we'll probably pick up some lunch. We're thinking like some pizza or something. I love boardwalk pizza. Comment below your favorite boardwalk food, but mine is definitely pizza. Also funnel cake. Luckily, Point Pleasant Beach was only an hour and 25 minutes from us. If you're from this tri-state area, you know Wildwood Beach is crazy. I definitely think that Point Pleasant Beach is more fit for a toddler, and it'll be like more fun. There's more things for her to do there. But yeah, Wildwood Beach is also a 2-hour and 45-minute drive from us, which is quite far. So with the 1 hour and 25 minutes was 100% doable, and we really didn't hit any traffic. So very thankful for that.
Some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love. Memories washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Summer love. Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioned blues. Could use some too. A little bit of summer
Little outfit change considering it's so hot, and I wish I had something other than jeans myself, but at least we packed it back up.
Mama? Dad,
So we are going to go ahead and ride the train. And we're gonna see if maybe they have a carousel since Abby loves the carousel. Lunch was delicious.
Dale.
We had a couple drinks
Abby.
and
Mom.
we're just trying to get Avi out of the car now. You sit?
Mom with Daddy. There we go.
You gonna go on the train?
Yeah.
You gonna go on the train?
There you go, baby.
Open air, side by side, sweet.
Look at all the things. Look at what's
Lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love. Remember when we were getting nowhere fast? When the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass.
So we just got back in the car from the boardwalk and we had a really good time. There's definitely, we were just talking about, there's definitely a reason why we do not do the beach and the boardwalk at the same time, because we got here at 12 and it is 2:49 and I feel like we have been there for almost 5 hours. It's a very exhausting trip. So doing both at the same time, I think, especially with Avi at her age, which she's almost asleep already, I think just doing it with her at her age is just like, it's not the move. Maybe when she gets older, but definitely not for her age now. We had a really good time. We got to sit on the pier for lunch, which was really good. You got the barbecue burger. I got a, what was it called? Boom Boom. I got the Boom Boom shrimp wrap, which was really good. I only was able really to eat half of it. Then Avi had a chicken quesadilla, which she loved. She's really big into using the fork and loved her pickles. Loves the pickle. We ended up just getting a half card for the credits for the rides because we didn't really want to do too many, since she's kind of not on an age where we can put her on one by herself. But she loves the carousel, so we definitely put her on that one, which, as you saw, she really enjoyed herself. And then the train ride was really nice. We got to kind of like go around on there. It was a good breeze too because it was extremely hot. And Matthias took Abby on like the little balloon Ferris wheel thing, which was really cute. This video might seem a little bit split up, but definitely there's no way we could do the beach and the boardwalk in one day. So 2 separate days, same vlog, same boardwalk.
Could use some